What are the neurological roots of empathy for humanist parents? Imagine a child feeling upset and a parent sensing that emotion instantly, without words. That's the power of empathy rooted deep in our brains. It's not just about feelings, it's about how our brains are wired to connect with others. When we talk about empathy, we're looking at a mix of automatic emotional reactions and higher-level thinking. The emotional part starts with the amygdala, a tiny brain region that detects distress or joy in others. It acts quickly, helping us respond to someone's feelings almost instantly. The hypothalamus also plays a role by managing our emotional responses and physical reactions. The orbitofrontal cortex helps us interpret social signals, like facial expressions or tone of voice, giving us context for what someone is feeling. But empathy isn't just about reacting emotionally. It also involves understanding that others have their own thoughts and feelings. This cognitive side uses parts of the brain like the medial prefrontal cortex and the temporoparietal junction. These areas help us imagine what it's like to be in someone else's shoes, which is called theory of mind. For humanist parents who focus on respectful and nonviolent communication, this understanding is key. They model empathy by paying close attention, listening carefully, and validating feelings. When children see their parents recognize and name emotions, they learn to do the same. Developing empathy also depends on emotion regulation, which is how we manage our feelings so we don't get overwhelmed. This process involves the connection between the prefrontal cortex and the limbic system, allowing us to stay calm and respond thoughtfully. As children grow, these neural systems mature, especially through nurturing interactions. When parents respond with warmth and understanding, they help strengthen these brain circuits. This creates a foundation for children to develop empathy naturally. For families committed to respectful communication, fostering these neural pathways means encouraging children to observe their own feelings, reflect it on others' emotions, and practice patience. Simple steps like talking about feelings, encouraging perspective taking, and staying calm during conflicts support this growth. Over time, these practices help children develop a strong sense of empathy grounded in their brain's wiring. This neurological foundation supports not just family harmony but also builds compassionate, understanding communities. When parents understand how their child's brain develops empathy, they can better guide and support their emotional growth, creating a nurturing environment for everyone.